Okay, we're now going to transition into using some modify commands. These are commands used to change or adjust things within your drawing in order to move things, copy things, trim, extend, create radiuses, angled corners, erase things, and so forth. The first one that we're going to discuss here is the move command. Okay, the move command is simply allows you to change the location of entities within your drawing from specific points to specific points. The move command can be executed under the home tab where you see the modify commands. It looks like a horizontal and a vertical arrowed lines that intersect. That is the move command. So if you execute that by left clicking it, and the first thing it asks is move to select object. This is where you choose the object that you want to move. Well, I would like to move this circle, so I'm going to left click the circle. Then once you have left clicked it, you can right click or hit enter. I'm going to right click one time. That confirms that I have chosen it to move. Now it asks to specify a base point. This is very, very important because the base point is the point from which you want to move the object. If you just randomly click on the screen, that is the point where you're going to move it from. And we do not want to do that. We want to pick a specific point that we want to move this object from. And I want to move this circle from its center point. So I'm going to go to the center point and left click there. Now you can see that I am moving it now from its center point. So that's where I've picked it up from. Now I want to move that to a specific position on the rectangle. Now if I want to move that particular circle from its center point to the upper left corner of that rectangle, I can move to that upper left corner and click there. And that's how you move something. Now you can also move something by giving it specific coordinates or a measurement and directions that way. So if I right click and move again, and I just want to move just the circle, so I'll left click it, then right click once to confirm that that's what I want to move. And I want to move it again from its center point. So I'm going to move to its center point and left click, so that's where I'm moving it from. Now if I wanted to move that particular circle 5 inches directly to the right, I can simply slide my cursor to the right and then type 5 and hit enter. And now I have moved that 5 inches to the right. Now I can move it again. Select the object, left click, right click once to confirm it, pick the center point, and let's say that I want to move it from that spot 4 inches to the right and 3 inches up. So I want to just type shift at 4, 3. And now I've moved it 4 inches right and 3 inches up from that particular position. I gave it specific coordinate options to move that. So that is the move command. Key points to take home. The base point is the point from which you want to move it. The second point is to which you want to move it. It can be specific points along existing objects or coordinate options that you type in to give it a new position. That is the move command. Thank you for watching.